Parents, I request you all to please take out the word letter tiles from letter A to Z. Also, please keep the whiteboard and the marker handy. Also, please take out the 3 family tiles, word tiles, aber, adder, and agger, and the first 3 stories. Storybook number 1, story card number 2, and 3. The story number is written right here. So we need 1, 2, and 3. And hi, Arva. Good afternoon. Arva, did you do your homework? If yes, please show it. Very good. Arva, what about the worksheet? Yes, that also, Priyana, you need. And parents, I want you all to take out the single letter word tiles also like this and keep it in a tray so that it's easier for a child to pick it up. And parents, the 3 blends, which 3 families, sorry.
3 families.
The aber, adder, and agger tile.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I need to adjust my screen. Excuse me. And story number 1, 2, and 3. It's in the reading and comprehensive section. The story numbers are written here. Story numbers are written here, as you can see. So we need story number 1, 2, and 3. And keep the whiteboard and marker handy. Oh, ready now, everyone? Okay, very good. So today, ma'am is going to be telling you something new. Do you all remember your sounds from A to Z, A to Z? Yes? Yes. So, I want to tell you something first. I have a family in which I have Kimaya, my husband, Mama, Papa, my brother, his wife, and we all live together like a happy family. You all also have families? Yes? Some children have grandparents living with them, some children have don't. Yes, very good. We all have beautiful families, don't we? You all love your family? I love my family. Do you all love your family? You all give family hugs? I give family hugs to my family. Come on, group hugs, family hugs. Yes, so do you know what? These alphabets also have families. And today I'm going to tell you about a few families. Are you all excited to know the word families? Okay, so let us start. Before I tell you about the families, I want you to first look at me. Come on. What's this? Does anybody know? Ah, very good. And A is a vowel, right? Don't forget, this is a naughty letter. Remember your hand. You have your hand A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, right? Yes, so this is the first vowel, right? So you have to remember that we are going to be looking at a family. Now keep it down, keep it down. A. Now, what's this? B. What's this? Please keep yourself muted, everyone. B. Very good. Now, when I get a short vowel that is A and B together, now keep it down like this only in front of you. And let us read it together, okay? Let us say the vowel sound first. A, A, B. Now let us blend it together and say it faster. Ab, ab,
Ab.
ab. Ab. Very good. Now, let us see. Oh, I have something to show you, children. Just give me a minute. You will also find this. And this ab, when it comes together, they become a family. Ab. So keep this card next to this. Wait, Nikita ma'am will show you how will you put, okay? I want you all to take your whiteboard like this. Put A, then B, and what family does it become? Ab. Can you all see it? Let me show it to you all like this. A, B, ab. Very nice. Very nice. I can see everybody stable. Superb. So now we are going to play a game. How? Keep your A and B back in the flashcards. Only keep the family card. Ab. Very good. Like this. Only the AB card, okay? Very good. Now, let us play a game because ab. Can you all say ab? Now, let us play a fun game. You know what? Whenever you will add a letter in front of ab, it will become a word. Some words will be funny and silly, but some words will actually have a meaning. You want to try? Okay, let me show you once and then you can also play with me, okay? So, let me try. B. B. Ab. Bab. Oh, is bab a word? Yes, it's a word, but it doesn't make any sense. Bab. No, 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 no. Let me try some other. Okay, I'm going to keep sharing my video. You can also try with me. Oh, ab, cab, ab, cab. It's a word. Yes. Wow. Now come on, you all also try quickly and show me. And then whatever words you make, your mama will write on the whiteboard. Or if you can write on the whiteboard. Whatever new words or paper. Oh, cab. Very good, Marzia. Anybody else with any other word? Show it to me. Come on. Then I'll show you lots of words. Amira, you're setting up. Parents, very good. Arva. Ab. Tab. Fab. Very good, Amira.
What does fab mean?
Fab is actually a short form for fabulous. You will keep like this, Ananya. Ab and like this. You will change the letter here. See. Cab. And then put some other word. You put D, it will come dab. Okay, now see Nikita ma'am's pictures, okay? Are you all ready? Watch my screen. See, you all can remember this is the ab family. Cab, lab, nab, tab. See, this is the tab in the can. Dab, see this lady is dabbing cotton on her face. And this is the Aber family 4-letter word, crab. Can you all please read it with me now? Cab, lab, nab, tab, dab, crab. Okay. And now we are going to be seeing some words which are called as sight words. And these words you will not say phonetically. आप sound देख के नहीं पढ़ोगे. You just have to remember this word like how it looks like. What letters are in that? Okay, so parents, high frequency sight words, you have to make sure that you take up revision and flash it always. In the kit there are these cards, but make sure we'll start with 2-letter words. So these are these card, and please make sure now from today onwards I'll be taking sight words every session. So make sure that you keep adding the sight words which we are taking up somewhere where it's visible to the child, because the meaning of high frequency word is sight words and it should be in sight. Repetition is very, very important. Okay, are you all ready? Look at my screen. The first sight word that is coming to meet you, beautiful children, is a 2-letter sight word. And it's two. TO2. 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 This is the flashcard for it. You can take out from your sight word box. 2. Now, this is not number 2, children. This is just 2. Okay? Like, I went to the garden. I went to the garden. I went to the park. What to do? That's this 2, okay? Can you all please show me 2? Yes, so now you have to freeze this in your head. 2. Okay? And keep watching this. So wherever you see this 2 while reading, you have to point out, Mama, 2, 2, 2. Okay? Now, the next word. Okay, this we are going to learn fast because you have to remember this very quickly. You can't keep, nahi kar sakte, okay, fast. Come on, quickly, next. Next is. I-S, is. Come on, check in your card. Is there something like this in your 2-letter cards? Is. Where is is? Show it to me quickly. Quickly. And now on words, wherever you will see is, you will point out. Come on. Who can show me is? Very good, Shritya. Very good. So now you know 2 is. Now quickly, show me 2. No, only 2. I want to see only 2. TO2. Very good. Show me is. 2. Is. 2. Is. Now you have to remember this, okay? Now, I want to make you meet the other family. Are you all ready now? Now keep the sight word cards aside quickly. Quickly, quickly. Yes, very good. Now, I want you to take out letter. No, I'll not say the letter. I'll say the sound, okay? Ah. Again, please take out word tile for ah. Quickly. Ah. Very good. And keep it in front of you. Now you know how to blend, okay? You have to help Nikita ma'am also now. Now, I want you to take out D. D. The D tile. Very good, Marzia. But Marzia, now I want you to take out A and D. First keep A, and next to A, you will keep D, like this. Okay? Now, let us read it together and blend it together. Okay? So, the sound for letter A is A. So, you will say A, D. And don't forget that A is a vowel. Okay? It's a naughty sound. You have to remember. A, D. Add. A, D. Add. Come on. Say it. A, D. Add. 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 You have to say it fast like this. Add. 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 So this is add family. Okay? Okay. Now take out the card which says add. Where is the add family card? Come on, who can show me? I have it with me. Yes. Add. Ananya, you're showing me ab. Add. Parents, is it coming add on your screen or it's coming like a mirror reflection? Mamas, it's coming correctly on my card on your screen?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it's coming correctly.
It's coming correctly. No, please let me know if it's a mirror revision. Okay. Yes. So Ananya, I want you to show me add. Ananya. Add. Ananya, please unmute yourself, baby. I can't understand. So now keep it in front of you and you will remove A and D card and only keep add family card.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ananya.
it is mirror reflection.
Oh, it's mirror reflection. Okay. It's add only?
Yes.
Okay. Super. Okay. Now, again, let us play the fun game. Oh,
Mamita,
somebody,
bye.
Amira has already started playing. Keep your letter tiles and keep all the words. Let me see. Oh, add. D, add. Dad. D, add. Dad. Wow, I made the word dad. Come on. Now I want you all to keep trying. It's okay if you can make funny words also. Let me see. See, this is funny. Add, scat. No, this is no word. Let us change. Come on. And I want you all to make words and mamas, if they can. Very good, Anvit. Bad. Very good. Add. Bad. Add. Pad. Aryan. Very good. Aryan, keep trying more. Dad. Bad. Very good. Sad. Wow. Superb class. Had. Wow. Priyana, I'm waiting for you. You're writing or not? Write quickly. Those who all can write quickly. Bad, very good. Or you can use cards also. Parents, they can either use cards and make and show it to me, or they can write it on the board. Prefer 3-letter words only, parents. Very good, Shritya. So many. Very good. Okay, now I want to show you. Did anybody else write any new word? See? Show me your boards like this. All of you. Very nice. Very nice, Priyana, Ananya, Marzia, Amira, Kavish, Anvit, Aryan, Shritya, and Arva. Superb. Now, let us see two more sight words. Quickly, then we have to do some reading today. And now onwards, every session we are going to do reading. So, you will not unmute yourself. You will only unmute when ma'am will ask you to for reading. And rest of your friends will listen to you. Okay? So now come on, quickly keep your board aside. And look at my screen, okay? We are going to see two more words. High frequency word, okay? Come on, quickly. So is, oopsie, to, is. Now next is I and in. Come on, look for in. I and in, quickly. Parents, give them 2-letter cards and they can pick up from there. Very nice. I and in. Everybody has in? Yes. Superb. Superb. Now, next sight word. Quickly, this has to be fast. You can't slow down. Nen, no, no. N-O, no. N-O, no. Let me check. I found it. N-O, no. Now, we are going to play a game and I want you all to do it fast. Show me two. Quickly, fast, two. T-O-2, T-O-2. I-S is. Very good, very good, very good. N-O, no. N-O, no, N-O, no. Very good, faster. T-O-2. I and in. Now, I want you all to keep everything aside and take out story number 1 and story number 2. Story number 1 is on ab family and story number 2 is on ad family. And now, who is ready? Amira, are you ready? Please open only one. The ab family story. Dad has a crab. Please open. Everybody will open and everybody will read. Okay? Only Amira. Keep it down, Amira. Very good. Everybody keep it down in front of you like you keep your storybooks to read. Now, everybody will get a chance. Okay? But you all have to read with your mamas. One child will read unmuting. Okay? So, Amira, please unmute and you will read only the words with red color. So, this you can see crab, the ab family words. Okay? Amira, start.
C-R-A-B.
C-R-A-B.
No, not like this. You will read it as ab, crab, ab, lab.
Lab.
Very good.
Cab.
Very good.
Lab.
Very good. Just read it as crab, ma'am. Help them in crab because cr is a blend which we'll be teaching later. It's a 4-letter word. Read only 3-letter words. Mummy will help you in 4-letter words, okay?
Lab. Lab.
Uh-huh.
Cab.
Crab.
Crab.
Uh-huh.
Jab.
Very
Jab.
good. Very good. Stab.
Stab.
Correct. Very good, Amira. Super. Good. Ananya, please take out the ab family story. Dad has a crab. And Anvit, आप भी अपने friends के साथ read करेंगे, okay? Read it with your friends. Take out this story. Dad has a crab. Everybody. I want you to listen to your friends and read also with your friends. Ananya, start. Start reading only the red ink words, okay? Start. Go ahead. Ma'am is listening.
Crab.
Very good.
Lab.
Very lab. B it is. Ab.
Lab.
Very
Lab.
good. Lab.
Cab.
Very good.
Lab.
Very good. Next.
Crab. Crab.
Very good. Next.
Crab. Crab.
Okay. Next.
Crab. Crab.
Yes, grab. You're right. Next word.
Crab.
Yes, yes, better right. Next, next.
Jab.
Very good. Next.
Crab.
Next. The last word now.
Stab.
Very good. Superb, Ananya. Good job. Everybody, very, very nice. And now I am going to show you some more pictures from the ad family, okay? Ad. See, watch Nikita ma'am's screen, okay? Oopsie, where are my words? Here you go. And you can read it with me. You can read the picture. Ad. Pad. Ad. Bad. Ad. Lad. Ad. Dad. Ad. Sad. And this is ad. Adder, but there is a d at the end also, double d, to add something. This has double d, okay? Double sound for d. So you all told me these words: dad, sad, pad, bad, lad. Yes? So your homework is now to revise all the family words. I want you all to practice all the two family words, that is ab and add family words. And you have to remember the sight words in to, is, and no. Okay? And if you want, you can write the family words on your whiteboard or play games with your tiles and send me pictures, okay? Then I will send you stars. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.